Buenos días, niños y niñas. El día de hoy vamos a trabajar con dinero, con coins. Vamos a poner la cantidad de dinero en centavos y también en dólares. Hoy es el día 9, aquí lo pueden ver en la parte de arriba. Vamos a checar el día 9 y hoy vamos a subir el día 10. O sea, el día 9 ustedes lo hicieron ayer. El día 10 es hoy viernes. Y entonces, después de acabar de revisar el día 9, vamos a hacer un ejemplo del día 10. Pues el ejemplo aquí ya está hecho, el de 3D Shapes. Y vamos a hacer también un ejemplo de pares y nones, que ya está hecho aquí. Como quiera los voy a explicar para que sepan qué es lo que tienen que hacer. Después de eso, que acabemos con esos dos trabajos, vamos a hacer una parte más de la tarea de vacaciones. En la tarea de vacaciones sigue hacer esta parte, que son un más 10, menos 10, más 100, menos 100, dos word problems y unas restas. Bueno, pues vamos a comenzar. Okay, we're going to start working with money. We have to write the numbers in cents and write it in dollars too. So I'm going to start doing the story here. So as you can see here, this is nickel. So nickel is 5 cents. Es un pelito. That's 5. This is a penny. Es un palito, un puntito. That's 1. This is a penny. That's 1. So now adding the numbers, or part of the story is 5, 6, 7. So I have here 7 cents. And 7 cents in dollars is $0, because the first number is the dollars. I don't have any dollars here. And 0 dimes and 7 cents. In other words, if this is a place value chart, the place value chart is ones, tens, hundreds. But when we are working with decimals, we call it ones, as always. And then this one, instead of being 10, this one is called tenth. You add a THS at the end. So it's tenths, not tens. So tenths is dimes. And finally you have hundreds. Instead of hundreds, that is this way, hundreds is the opposite way. And hundreds is just cents. Okay? So this is 7 cents or $0.07. In the other side, this is a quarter. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is a nickel. So this is 5. Nickel is 5. Penny is 1. Penny is 1. Adding the coins, this is 25 and 5, 30 and 5, 35 and 1, 36 and 1, 37. So this is 37 cents, or in dollars, $0 and 37. So which one is greatest? Greatest is 2 points, smaller is 1 point. Okay? Next one. This is a quarter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is a dime. 5, 10. This is a nickel. 5, 5, and a penny is 1. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 5, 5, 1. Now adding the numbers. This is 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. So this is 46 cents, or in other words, $0 and 4 tenths and 6 hundredths. Es igual que el place va a luchar hacia el otro lado, donde van ones, tenths, hundredths. Para el otro lado va también como si fuera ones, tenths, hundredths. O sea que los ones siempre se quedan donde mismo. Pero para qué lado se hacen tenths y hundredths y para qué lado se hacen tenths y hundredths. ¿Ok? Si tú piensas en 37 cents, quiere decir que hay 3 tenths and 7 ones. Igual que cuando teníamos para el otro lado, cuando eran dólares, ¿verdad? Ok. Aquí dije 7 ones. Bueno, aquí es 3 tenths and 7 hundredths. Por eso decimos 37 centavos. No decimos 37. So it's 37 hundredths or 37 cents. In the other... Oh, we already did this part. I made a mistake here. We have to do this side. So this side is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This a nickel is 5. This a penny is 1. Penny is 1. So adding the numbers, this is 25 and 5 is 30 and 1 is 31 and 1 is 32. So which one is greatest? This is 32 cents or $0 and 32 cents. So which one is greatest? This side. We already have this one. That was your example. Here you saw that you have to put the number in cents and dollars. I don't know why many of you just wrote the number in cents. That, for me, that means that you are not watching the videos. Some of you just didn't put this part. You have to watch the videos every day. Por favor, tienen que ver los videos. Muchos de ustedes me hicieron esta tarea, este trabajo, pero solo me ponían los centavos, no me ponían los dólares. Es importante poner los dólares porque las personas que sí los pusieron, muchos lo hicieron mal. La mayoría no lo hicieron, los dólares. Y algunos de los que lo hicieron lo tenían mal, la mayoría. Y algunos poquitos sí me lo hicieron bien en centavos y en dólares y pusieron estrategias y todo. Yo quisiera que todos lo tuvieran bien y completo. Bueno, vamos al que sigue. Next one. That's number 4. Number 4. This is a quarter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is a dime. 5, 10. Nickel is 5. Nickel, 5. Penny is 1. Penny is 1. Now I'm going to write the numbers. So this is 25 and 10, 35 and 5, 40 and 5, 45 and 1, 46 and 1, 47. So this is 47 cents or $0 and 47 cents. In the other side I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I have 10 here, 5 and 10. I have 5 in the nickel. This is a penny, is 1. So now we add the numbers. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. So this is 41 cents or, hey, let's see, yeah, 41 cents or $0 and 41. So which one is greatest, 47 or 41? It's 47. Next one, number 5. This is a quarter. I'm not going to write the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I'm just going to put the sticks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is an equal. So this is 5, 5, 1, 1. In the other side, I have 10, 5, 5, 1, and 1. Now, to add the numbers, wait a second. Now, adding the numbers, I have here, this one is 25, and 5 is 30, and 5, 35, and 1, 36, and 1, 37. So this is 37 cents or $0.37. On the other side, I have 10, and 5 is 15, and 5 is 20, and 1 is 21, and 1 is 22. So I have here 22 cents or $0.22. So which one is greatest? 37 is greater than 22. Next one. I have here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is a dime. So this is 10. Nickel, 5. Nickel, 5. Penny is 1. The other side, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 5, 1, 1. Now adding the numbers, this is 25 and 10, 35 and 5, 40 and 5, 45 and 1, 46. So this is 46 cents or $0.04 and 6 hundredths. In the other side, I have 25 and 5, 30 and 5, 35, and 1 is 36 and 1 is 37. Okay, so I have 37 cents or $0 and 3/10 and 7 hundredths. So 46 is greater than 37. Next one, I have a dime, it's 5, 10, nickel is 5, 5, 1. The other side I have 5 and 5 is 10, 5 and 1. So this is 10, 15, 20, 21. This is 21 cents or $0 and 2/10 and 6 hundredths or 26 hundredths or 26. Oh, it's not 26, it's 20, 21. I don't know why I did that. This is 10, 15, 20, 21. So this is $0 and 21 cents, or you can say also 21 cents or 21 hundredths. This side is 10 and 5 is 15 and 1 is 16. So this is 16 cents or $0 and 16 hundredths or $0 and 1/10 and 6 hundredths. So which one is greatest? 21. Number 8. Number 8 I have here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I have 10 here, 5, 5, 1, 1. In the other side I have 5, 10, 5, 5, 1. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 30, 35. 40, 45, 46, 47. So this is 47 cents or $0 and 47 hundredths. In the other side I have 5 and 10, and 5 is 15, and 5 is 20, and 1 is 21. So this is 21 cents or $0.21. So 47 is greater than 21. Dos puntitos aquí y uno acá. Vamos a hacer el número 9. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is 5, 5, 1, and 1. The other side I have 5, 5, 1. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And 5 is 30, and 5 is 35, and 1 is 36, and 1 is 37. In the other side I have 5, and 5 is 10, and 1 is 11. So this is 37 cents or $0.37 or 0 and 37 cents. In the other side I have 11 cents or $0.01 and 100 or 11 hundredths also. Okay, which one is greatest? Is 37 is greater than 11. Next and last one. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is 5, 5, 1, 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 5, and 1. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 5 is 30, and 5 is 35, and 1 is 36, and 1 is 37. In the other side I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, and 35, and 5 is 40, and 1 is 41. So I have here 37 cents or $0.37. In the other side I have 41 cents or $0.41. So which one is greatest? 41 is greater than 37. Ok, este era su trabajo que tenían que haber completado con todas estas estrategias. Si no lo completaron así, tienen que ir al video y corregir su trabajo porque se los voy a regresar cuando regresemos de las vacaciones. O bueno, de las vacaciones, cuando regresemos de la cuarentena. Ok, ahora sigue hacer este que es 3D Shapes y este que es pares y nones or odd or even. So the first one, it says complete the table. Okay, so I have here first, I can see the shape. You can see the shape is a cube. Remember, the cube has faces. Las caras es las partes planas de ese shape. Los vértices son las esquinitas, como quien dice, donde se juntan tres caras, y los edges es donde se juntan dos caras. Entonces, por ejemplo, si esta de aquí enfrente es una cara, y esta de aquí a un lado es una cara, y esta de aquí arriba es una cara, entonces aquí dice que los vértices is where three faces meet. So here meets this face, and this face. So this is 1, 2. Because I have this face, and the bottom. This is 3. I have top face, front face, and left side face. And 4. And in the back is exactly the same. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 vertices. Now edges is where two faces meet. So I have this face and this face is 1. This and the left side face is 2. Left side and bottom is 3. Bottom and right side is 4. Now I also have left side face and front 6. Bottom and front 7. Right side and front 7, and top and front 8, and in the back is the same, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12 edges, and faces I have, all the 4 faces around is 4, and the top and the bottom is 5 and 6. So I have 6 faces. I'm going to do the faces with black. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And the name of the shape is cube. Remember that the cube is a special kind of rectangular prism. Ahora, para pares y nones, o le llamamos en inglés odd or even numbers, what you have to do is to write the number and then just circle the ones. Just the ones. The only one that interests me is the ones. So if I have here, the ones is a 5, so I draw 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I put together in couples. So I have couple, and this one is alone, so this is odd. In this case I have 26. Just the one is interesting for me, so I draw the 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Couple. Then this is an even. Entonces cuando el número todos tienen pareja es even. Cuando el número uno se queda sin pareja es odd. En español, cuando se queda sin pareja es non. Cuando todos tienen pareja es par. Ok, esa es la estrategia, es muy sencillo. Entonces acuérdense, van a encerrar solo los ones, dibujan y hacen parejas. Si te sobra uno es odd, si no te sobra ninguno es even. Ok. Bueno, niños, para terminar, vamos a hacer la última parte o una parte más de la tarea de las vacaciones. Ok, tenemos aquí 98 más 100. I'm just going to add 100 to this number. So this is like ones, tens, and hundreds. So I just have to add 100 to the 98. So it's going to be now 198. This one, I have ones and tens. I add 1 to the tens. So instead of 4, it's going to be 5, 56. The other one doesn't change. I have here ones and tens. I'm just going to take away 1 10 from this 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Now it's 44. Next one. I have 128, and I'm going. This is ones, tens, and hundreds, and I'm going to take away 1 10 from the tens. So this was 2. Now it's going to be, the 1 stay the same. The 2 now is going to be 1, and the 8 stay the same. Next one. I have ones, tens, and hundreds. So I'm just going to add 1 in the hundreds place. So the 2 stay the same, the 9 stay the same, and the 9 and 1 now is 10. So now it's 1,000. Okay? Next one. I have here ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And I have to take away 1 from the hundreds. This is minus 1. But I can take away 1 from 0. So this 0 as the neighbor, so this is going to be 0 now, and this 0 is going to be 10. So now I have to do the 4 stay the same, the 3 stay the same, and this is 10 minus 1, now is 9. Y si es lógico, porque tenía 1034, pues si tenía 1000 y le quito 100 me queda 900, ¿verdad? Ahora me queda solo el 34, 934. Next one. This is ones, tens, and hundreds. I'm going to take 1 away from here. So le voy a quitar 1 al 3. The ones stay the same. The tens is 3 minus 1 is 2. And the hundreds stay the same. Next one. This is ones, tens, and hundreds. And I'm going to add 1 to the tens. Have to add 1. So the ones stay the same. is 5. The 1, I add 1, now I have 2 tens, and the 4 stay the same. Next one, I have ones, tens, and hundreds. The 1 stay the same. The tens, I have to add 1 10 to the 9. So this 9 is going to be, I add 1 10 here. Sorry. I add 1 10 here. Now it's going to be 10. And that means that this is going to be 0, and I'm going to send 1 here. So now I have 9 and 1. This is going to be 10. That means that I'm going to have 0 here and 1 here. So then my new number is 7, and then this 9 is going to be 0, and the other one is going to be 0 and 1. So it's 1007. And it's logic, 997. I just need 3 more to get 1000. So then it's 997, and 10 is going to be 1007. Last one. I have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. And I'm going to take 1 away from the 10, from here. So the 4 stay the same. 0 minus 1, I can't. I have to ask the neighbor. The neighbor is a 0, I ask the neighbor. So this is going to be a 0, and this is going to be 10. I try again. 4 minus nothing is 4. 0 minus 1 I can't, so I ask the neighbor. This is 9, and this is 10 now. So now I have 10. Now I have 10 minus 1 is 9. And this is 9 now, and this is 0. And it's logic. I have just 1004. So if I take away 4, it's going to be 1000. But I have to take away another 6 to make it 10. So it's 1000 minus 6 is 994. ¿Ok? Bueno, niños, ahora vamos a hacer el word problem. Tengo que usar cubes. Dice, Mr. C has 6 bags. The first bag has 2 dogs. The second, 5. The third, 8. How many dogs are in the 6th bag? Ok, vamos a hacer circle the numbers. Damos circle the numbers. I have 6, 2, and 5, 8. Underline the question. How many dogs are in the 6th bag? Box the keywords. Has 6 bags. The first bag has 2 dogs. The second, 5. The third, 8. And my strategy, I'm going to do a table. So this is bag and dog. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, bag 5, and bag number 6. So in the bag 1, there are 2 dogs. In the bag 2, there are 5 dogs. In the bag 3, there are 8 dogs. So I have to find the pattern here. So this is moving 2 to 5. So it's 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is plus 3. This is plus 3. Now I have a key. Now I have here bag 4, bag 5, bag 6. So this is going to be plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11. Plus 3, 11, 12, 13, 14. Plus 3, 15, 16, 17. So in the 6th bag, There are 17 dogs. That's the correct answer. Estaba fácil, solo hay que pensar en una estrategia, ¿ok? Vamos a la que sigue. Y vamos a usar cubes. Entonces voy a escribir aquí cubes. Entonces vamos a empezar. First, circle the number. Alex has 1579. He gives 335 to Maria and gets 245 from Angela. That was circle the numbers. Underline the question. How much money does he have? Well, it should be, does he have left? Okay? Now box the keywords. Alex has, he gives, o sea que le da dinero a alguien, va a tener ahora menos. And he gets, o sea que le dan dinero, ¿verdad? Now, what's going to be my strategy? My strategy is going to be first an equation. So Alex has 1579. He gives, regaló, 3.35. And he gets, o sea que le dan, plus 2.45. How much does he have now? ¿Cuánto dinero tiene ahora? Bueno, pues vamos a hacerlo. Es 1579, 15.79 minus 3.35. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. The decimal. 5 minus 3 is 2 and the 1. So now Alex has 1244, but then he gets 245. So now I have 1244, and somebody in Angela gives him 245. So I have 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, and this is 1. So now Alex has 1489 left. Ok. Y ahora vamos a hacer estas sumas y restas que están bien fáciles. I have 1 minus 5. I can't do it, so I have to ask the neighbor. This 4 is going to be 3, and this 1 is going to be 11. Now I have 11 minus 5 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 7 minus 2 is 5. Oh, here it is. Next one. 5 minus 7, I can't. I have to ask the neighbor. This 7 is going to be 6 now, and the 5 is going to be 15. 15 minus 7, I have 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 8. So 7 to get 15, I need 8. And then 6 minus 3 is 3. And 6 minus 4 is 2. Next one. 3 minus 7, I can't. I ask the neighbor. This 4 is going to be 3, and the 3 is going to be 13. 7 to get 13. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 7 minus 7 is 0. So this is 26. Next one. 5 minus 8. I can't. So this 2 now is going to be 1. And the 5 is going to be 15. 15 minus 8. I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 7. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 8 minus nothing is 8. Next one. 1 minus 3, I can't. I ask the neighbor. The 9 is going to be 8, and the 1 is going to be 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1, and 9 minus nothing is 9. And finally, 2 minus 6, I can't. So this 6 is going to be 5, and the 2 is going to be 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Ok, niños y niñas, pues ya veremos mañana, que es viernes. Van a tener de pendiente solo hacer el trabajo del día número. Mañana tienen que subir el trabajo del día 10, que lo vamos a checar el lunes, ¿verdad? Y también vamos a hacer el lunes o el viernes vamos a hacer una introducción, el fin de semana introducir cómo funcionan los relojes. Y vamos a continuar con parte de la tarea de las vacaciones, que va a ser también relojes y unos cuantos word problems. Bueno, niños, pues mañana las veo en la videoconferencia. Acuérdense, a las 11 es la videoconferencia. Bye.